Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we delve into the sophisticated world of low-deck design, exploring its nuances and offering practical advice to elevate your outdoor living experience. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's begin by defining what we mean by a low deck. Simply put, a low deck is a deck built close to the ground, typically no more than 30 inches above grade. This proximity to the earth creates a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, fostering a sense of connection with the surrounding landscape. Unlike raised decks that require railings and extensive support structures, low decks often integrate effortlessly with the existing terrain, offering a more natural and understated aesthetic. It's a design choice that prioritizes accessibility and visual harmony. Now, why might you choose a low deck over a traditional elevated deck? There are several compelling reasons. Firstly, low decks are generally more cost-effective to build. They require less material and labor as they don't necessitate complex framing or railings. Secondly, they offer enhanced accessibility. With minimal or no steps, they are easier to navigate for people of all ages and abilities. Thirdly, they create a more intimate and grounded atmosphere, blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. They also minimize visual obstruction, maintaining clear sightlines across your property. Finally, they often require less permitting than higher decks, simplifying the construction process. Designing a visually appealing low deck requires careful consideration of several factors. Scale is paramount. The deck size should be proportional to your home and the surrounding landscape. Consider the flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, ensuring a smooth and natural transition. Material selection is also crucial. Choose durable, weather-resistant materials that complement your home's exterior. Think about incorporating elements like built-in seating, planters, and lighting to enhance functionality and ambience. Finally, consider the surrounding landscaping. Integrate your low deck with existing plantings or add new greenery to create a cohesive and inviting outdoor environment. Several styles lend themselves beautifully to low deck design. Modern minimalist designs emphasize clean lines, simple materials, and a neutral color palette. Rustic styles embrace natural materials like wood and stone, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Coastal styles incorporate light colors, natural textures, and nautical-inspired accents. Consider your home's architectural style and the surrounding landscape when choosing a style for your low deck. And to complete your inspiration, here are the compilation of the top 10 inspiring ideas to consider for your low deck project. 1. Simple rectangular deck with built-in benches. A classic and versatile design featuring clean lines and integrated seating for comfortable gatherings. 2. Multi-level low deck with stepping stones. Creates visual interest and defines different zones within the outdoor space. 3. Deck with integrated fire pit. A focal point for socializing and enjoying cool evenings. Consider using pavers or gravel around the fire pit for safety. 4. Wraparound deck connecting to a patio. Seamlessly extends living space and provides ample room for entertaining. 5. Deck with lush perimeter planting. Softens the edges and creates a sense of privacy and seclusion. Use varying heights and textures of plants for visual interest. 6. Deck with a pergola or overhead structure. Provides shade and defines the space, creating an outdoor room. 7. Deck using composite decking for low maintenance. Offers durability and resists fading, staining, and splintering. 8. Deck with gravel or stone border. Creates a clean edge and prevents grass from growing onto the deck surface. 9. Deck with outdoor lighting for ambience. Enhances safety and extends the usability of the deck into the evening hours. Consider string lights, recessed lighting, or pathway lights. 10. Deck with outdoor rugs and furniture. Adds comfort and style, creating an inviting outdoor living room. These ideas are just a starting point. Feel free to adapt and combine them to create a low deck that perfectly suits your needs and style. In conclusion, low deck design offers a compelling blend of aesthetics, functionality, and affordability. By carefully considering scale, materials, and style, you can create a beautiful and inviting outdoor space that enhances your home and lifestyle. We hope this video has inspired you to consider the possibilities of low deck design. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home design inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or questions. We appreciate your support. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.